it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So today I've got an awesome way for you to go ahead and start making some extra money online, and this is really simple, it's really easy and it's quick to do, so let's jump into it. So we're going to go ahead and have a look at how you can make money selling your photos online, and to do that you can use this site here called ClashHot or Class Hot, whichever way you want to pronounce it. So this is the site, I'll drop a link to this below for you, and basically you go ahead and you download the app. You can download it on the App Store or on Google Play, and then let me just scroll down here for you. So once you've downloaded it, you can then take a picture, upload it, and then when people buy your picture, then you make a commission or a percentage of the sale every single time. So let's just look at the 4 steps. So how do I sell my photos? You upload your photos onto here. So download the app, take a picture, upload it, and then what type of pictures can be uploaded. So they have different categories on here, so you go through your different categories, and then you can also give hashtags. So you can see on here they've got these different hashtags, and then they will go into the different categories. And then what price range can your photos sell for? They can sell from anywhere from 50 cents to $80, so you can potentially earn up to $80 for a photo that you upload on here. And then who will buy your photos and for what purpose? So as you can see here, hundreds of thousands of companies and specialists from different spheres, media, marketing, IT and others. So I've gone ahead and I've bought stock photos and images before for my different websites and blogs, and there are hundreds of thousands of people looking for images online that they want to use in their marketing campaigns, in their ad campaigns. If they're running paid ads, they potentially want an ad, a photo that they want to use for that ad. So this is a really cool site, and the fact that it's free to do and you can start uploading photos instantly and earn up to $80, it's pretty cool. And I wouldn't expect that you would earn $80 for every single photo. Realistically, you're probably going to be in the $10 to $20 mark, depending on the category and the type of picture that you're uploading. But it's free to join, it's quick and easy to do, so another simple way to make money online. So let's just jump on here. So this is the how it works category, so click on here. First of all, you go ahead and you install the free app, simple enough to do. Next, capture everything that you think is important. So you take your different images and then you go ahead and you give it a hashtag, and that will relate to the category that you're going to be selling that picture in. Once you've done that, you will then go ahead and click on publish. So this one here, this is a wall with graffiti in Berlin, and it's given all these different categories here. And then next, you earn by selling your photos. So this is how it would look, and then you just go ahead and you put your price in here, and you can also put in the different sizes for that. And then finally, this one here, you have a profile, and it updates your profile for you, showing you how much you've earned, statistics, verification, etc. really. So a standard profile like what you would get on any sort of social media platform or online business where you'd be looking at. So that's it really. So 5 simple steps to get started on here. Quickly jump on the frequently asked questions for you. So the first one I wanted to know about was earning money on the site and what is a minimal withdrawal, because a lot of these platforms, when you're uploading and you're earning money, they normally have a minimal withdrawal, a minimum withdrawal. So basically you can't withdraw any money until you've earned X amount of money. So if we scroll down here, I just highlighted a couple of them. So let me just keep going down here for you. How can I withdraw money earned at ClashHot? So whenever your balance exceeds $50, so once you reach $50 in earnings from your pictures, you can go and withdraw. Now to withdraw, you need PayPal or Skrill. So that's it really. So PayPal or Skrill, they're pretty much the same thing, to be honest with you. So if you haven't got a PayPal, go and get a Skrill. Vice versa really. So you either need PayPal or Skrill. I thought this was pretty cool on here. Can I upload photos from Instagram, Facebook and other social networks? Yes, you can. So if you're already uploading onto Instagram, you might as well upload onto here as well. And if someone goes ahead and buys that image, then you're just earning income. And this is like passive income, because once you've uploaded the image on there, it's on there forever until you take it down. So take a picture, upload it, give it your category, and then it's a passive income. So feel free to go ahead and go nuts and take as many different pictures as you want and start uploading them. And once you've uploaded them, like I say, it's passive income. So that's today's video really. So this here is ClashHot or ClashHot whichever way you want to look at that. And again, they've got all the usual stuff on here, so Facebook, Twitter, Google plus Instagram. So if you want to go ahead and speak to them directly, you can go and reach them on these different platforms. But this is another great way to start earning a passive income online. I wouldn't expect you're going to earn thousands, but if you're taking pictures and you're uploading them to Instagram and Twitter and different social profiles for the sake of downloading this app and uploading it onto here, it's a really cool way that you can start earning some extra income, passive income, and it's free. And then one last thing on here as well, one thing I wanted to just show you, if we can find it, maybe I've come out of it, but basically what I wanted to know is if after a certain amount of time, say you wanted to remove one of your pictures on here that for whatever reason, then you can go ahead and you can just delete that image that you've put up on here. So some of these different photo sites where you upload it, you give them exclusive rights and then you can't delete it, but on here you can delete your photo if for whatever reason you wanted to change it. So I can't, oh here we go, how can I delete my photos and remove them from the sale? So it tells you exactly how you do that. So this is the frequently asked questions page. This is the manual, how it works. So look, I'll drop a link to this homepage here for you, and like I say, it's free to do, it's easy to do, it's quick. So if you want to go ahead and make money online selling your pictures and effectively build a passive income, then this website here is a pretty simple way to go ahead and do that. So that's it for today's video, and if you're new here and this is your first time on my channel, please go ahead and give my video a like and subscribe and click on the notification tab, because I go ahead and I upload videos every single day. Predominantly it's about earning online and making money, because that's what I love doing and researching and looking into. I also share traffic tips and traffic generation, and we also touch on affiliate marketing and other bits. So one of my websites here, this is one of my websites here, Not Taught at School. This is one of my blogs, and this one's predominantly around earning money online. So if you want to go and get some free stuff, go over to this website here, go on Awesome Stuff and click on the members area. Then you'll just go ahead and put in your email, and then you'll get instant access to the members area. And I've got some different stuff in here. So I've got eBay ebooks. This is how you can go ahead and make money on eBay. Some different stuff in there for you. Scroll down here, we've got some Amazon ebooks in here, and then we've got some drop shipping ebooks and courses. So there's a video course on how you can make money on Teespring on here, and I upload this, I try and upload this at least once a month. So there's some pretty cool stuff in here for you to start earning money online. So if you want all these, go ahead and get them. They're all free. You just simply click on any of these and it'll start downloading for you. So that's enough for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.